Start. In short, the aforesaid statutory provision of Order 21 lay down a complete code for resolving all disputes pertaining to execution of the decree for possession obtained by a decree holder and whose attempts at executing the said decree meet with rough weather. Stop. Once resistance is offered by a purported stranger to the decree and which comes to be noted by the executing court as well as by the decree holder, the remedy available to the decree holder against such an obstructionist is only under Order 21, Rule 29, Sub Rule 1, and he cannot bypass such obstruction and insist on of warrant for possession under Order 21, Rule 35 with the help of police force, as that course would amount to bypassing and circumventing the procedure laid down under Order 21, Rule 97 in connection with removal of obstruction of purported strangers to the decree. Stop. Once such an obstruction is on the record of the executing court, it is difficult to appreciate how the executing court can tell such obstructionist that he must first lose possession and then only his remedy is to move an application under Order 21, Rule 99 CPC and pray for restoration of possession. Stop. The High Court by the impugned order and judgment has taken the view that the only remedy available to a stranger to the decree who claims any independent right, title or interest in the decretal property is to go by Order 21, Rule 99. Stop. The view of the High Court on the aforesaid statutory scheme is clearly unsustainable. Stop. It is easy to visualize that a stranger to the decree who claims an independent right, title and interest in the decretal property can offer his resistance before getting actually dispossessed. Stop. He can equally agitate his grievance and claim for adjudication of his independent right, title and interest in the decretal property even after losing possession as per Order 21, Rule 99. Stop. Order 21, Rule 97 deals with a stage which is prior to the actual execution of the decree for possession, wherein the grievance of the obstructionist can be adjudicated upon before actual delivery of possession to the decree holder. Stop. While Order 21, Rule 99, on the other hand, deals with the subsequent stage in the execution proceedings where a stranger claiming any right, title and interest in the decretal property might have got actually dispossessed and claims restoration of possession on adjudication of his independent right, title and interest deholds the interest of the judgment debtor. Stop. Both these types of inquiries in connection with the right, title and interest of a stranger to the decree are clearly contemplated by the aforesaid scheme of Order 21, and it is not as if that such a stranger to the decree can come in the picture only at the final stage after losing possession and not before it, if he is vigilant enough to raise his objection and obstruction before the warrant for possession gets actually executed against him. Stop. With respect to the High Court has totally ignored the scheme of Order 21, Rule 97 in this connection by taking the view that only remedy of such stranger to the decree lies under Order 21, Rule 99, and he has no locus standi to get adjudication of his claim prior to the actual delivery of possession to the decree holder in the execution proceedings. The view taken by the High Court in this connection also results in patent breach of principles of natural justice, as the obstructionist who alleges to have any independent right, title and interest in the decretal property and who is admittedly not a party to the decree, even though making a grievance right in time before the warrant for execution is actually executed, would be told off the gates, and his grievance would not be considered or heard on merits, and he would be thrown off lock, stock, and barrel by use of police force by the decree holder. Stop. That would obviously result in irreparable injury to such obstructionists whose grievance would go overboard without being considered on merits, and such obstructionist would be condemned totally unheard. Stop. Such an order of executing court therefore would fail also on the ground of non-compliance with basic principles of natural justice. Stop. On the contrary, the statutory scheme envisaged by Order 21, Rule 97, CPC, as discussed earlier, clearly guards against such a pitfall and provides a statutory remedy both to the decree holder as well as to the obstructionist to have their respective say in the matter and to get proper adjudication before the executing court, and it is that adjudication which, subject to the hierarchy of appeals, would remain binding between the parties to such proceedings, and separate suit would be barred with a view to seeing that multiplicity of proceedings and parallel proceedings are avoided, and the gamut laid down by Order 21, Rule 97 to 103 would remain a complete code and the sole remedy for the parties concerned to have their grievances once and for all finally resolved in execution proceedings themselves. Para. In this connection, we may also profitable refer to a judgment of a bench of 3 learned judges of this court in the case of Bhawarlal versus Satyanarayan 1995 1 SCC 6. Stop. In that case, the bench consisting of K. Ramaswamy, S.C. Agarwal had to consider a parallel fact situation. Stop. 1. Satyanarayan had obstructed to the delivery of possession of the suit immovable property which was sought to be obtained in execution by the appellant decree holder. Stop. After such an obstruction was offered by Satyanarayan, the decree holder moved an application under Order 21, Rule 35 for police assistance to remove the obstruction caused by Satyanarayan. Stop. The executing court directed the decree holder to make an application under Order 21, Rule 97. Stop. This court took the view that the very application under Order 21, Rule 35, Sub-Rule 3 for police assistance for removal of obstruction caused by Satyanarayan had to be treated to be an application under Order 21, Rule 97, and such an application was maintainable and could not be said to be beyond limitation. Stop. In this connection, the following pertinent observations were made by this court. Para. The crux of the question is whether the application filed on 25/5/1979 by the appellant, though purported to be under Order 21, Rule 35 (3) against Satyanarayan, is convertible to one under Order 21, Rule 97. Stop. Order 21, Rule 35 (3) provides that para. Where possession of any building on enclosure is to be delivered and the person in possession being bound by the decree does not afford the free access, the court through its officers may, after giving reasonable warning and facility to any women not appearing in public according to the customs of the country, to withdraw, remove, or open any lock or bolt, or break open any door, or do any other act necessary for putting the decree holder in possession over.